Hello everyone, and welcome to San Nicolò Real Estate. I'm Natasha, and today I would love to show you a beautiful farmhouse totally made out of stone in Gaiole in Chianti, the heart of Tuscany. The house is developed on 2 levels and measures 460 square meters. Are you getting curious? Please follow me inside. Entering, we have this cozy reception room where you can have dinner or sit and have a glass of wine. Here we have a beautiful rustic kitchen, and go to this dining area. We have a second kitchen. Then from here, we go up to the sleeping area. Stairs bring us to another reception room. The property has all over beautiful views from the windows. And this is a perfect place to sit and enjoy the fire with a nice book or a nice glass of wine. Coming up another flight of stairs, we have the sleeping area that counts 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Starting from here. Now we enter in the master bedroom. As you can tell, the house has been fully renovated and has this typical Tuscan style with wooden beams and colta floors everywhere. In this part we go out in the patio where we can have a lovely dinner, make pizza, cook, and maybe grill some meat on the barbecue. From the patio we enter in this beautiful manicured garden, which has beautiful plants and greenery and overall views. This property is perfect for who really wants privacy. It's not isolated, as we are 3 kilometers from the main village, which is Gaiole in Chianti. So we're waiting for you to come to Italy and see this beautiful farmhouse.